So I said in my last handbag video, which I'm gonna link up there, if you haven't seen it, I kind of summarize all the handbag purchases from this year. And I said in this video that I will not buy any more handbag this year, or at least I'm not planning to. And this just happened. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, I do have a new handbag that I want to show you. It was a very spontaneous purchase and I didn't plan it. I really didn't plan it. I had no handbags on my radar whatsoever, and this particular handbag is from a brand that is unknown to me completely. This is just something different, and you know, the whole Black Friday vibe and all those sales kind of got me. So yes, I purchased another handbag, and this handbag is from the brand called Off-White. I actually have been looking at some of their handbags, and honestly, most of them kind of look a little funky to me. There's a lot of handbag that kind of looks like, I don't know, it reminds me of like the railroad crossing with all those stripes and everything. It just brings like different kind of thoughts to my mind. And there are handbags that kind of look like a Swiss cheese. So, you know, but then I noticed this one, okay? And I couldn't get my mind off. You know, the sale was going on for a few days, and I was just kind of going back and forth, and I was thinking to myself, you know, I don't have anything like that in my collection, and let me just try. So I got the handbag in the mail, and let me just show you what I've got, because it's pretty interesting, and I'm so kind of curious to know your thoughts on this handbag, because this is very unusual for me to buy something like this. So let me just show you guys. My new addition to my handbag family is the handbag from Off-White, and oh my god, looks so pretty. This is obviously, as you can see, it's all white. It's all leather handbag. It's like a medium, I would say, kind of a tote handbag. I don't know, I just think it's kind of unique, it's different, and it's definitely something that I don't have in my collection. Let me just show you this in a full glory. It obviously looks like, I don't know, I was really thinking that this handbag can be my basically year-round handbag, because you know, it's light, it's white, and I could carry it over the summer and the spring. It's just, you know, it does look a little poofy, so I don't know, it might give me a little bit of the wintry vibe because of the kind of a quilted, a little bit, you know, it's obviously like a striped, but it's very kind of, you know, poofy leather. But I think I can actually pull it off during the summer and spring, definitely. I don't know, it's so cute. What do you guys think? It is, obviously you have a strap, which I'm gonna show you in just a second. But, you know, mainly you can obviously hold with those little handles in here. There is a lot happening. And I know Off-White, I guess it's kind of a little, I would say a little funky design house. So you have this little toggle here, which is pretty heavy. It's substantial piece of brass or something, and obviously you can actually close it. See if I can pull this piece of leather. See, it could be like kind of, do you see how it kind of, yeah, it's kind of closed, but I don't worry about it because there is actually a zipper, and I'm gonna show you that. So I think this is more like kind of a decorative element to the handbag. And this handbag, by the way, comes with the black as well. I don't know what kind of color is, what kind of leather is this, but I assume this is like a calf skin. I don't think it's a lambskin. I think it's more like a, it feels like it's more durable. It's more like a calf. So I was debating between the black and white, but I was thinking to myself, you know, I have so many black bags that I just have to have something different. You know, I just needed something fresh, something more funky, you know, in my collection. So I pulled the trigger and I went with the white, and I honestly, I like it. It's just different. It's absolutely different, you know, and I don't know, it's very squishy. It's super light though. There's no feet on this handbag, so I don't know, hopefully there's not gonna be like any major problems with, you know, colors or something, because obviously I use a lot of jeans and so on, so we'll see. But let me just kind of show you around. So obviously this handbag comes with a very kind of a thick strap, and one side of the strap, obviously as you can see, the strap is adjustable. 1, 2, 3, 4, you have 5 holes, and there was this little loop, so I end up feeding the strap through this loop on the side in here. This side has a very small kind of a button in here, adjustable button, but if you look on the other side is a large kind of a thick button with the Off-White logo in here, and obviously you have bigger loops to just fit this button, and there is no that little strap on this side. So I was actually thinking to put this one maybe on the last you know, kind of a hole, and then adjust the rest. So I don't know, we'll see. But it sits very nicely crossbody on me. It can be, you know, if you push the strap a little bit higher, you can definitely wear it on your shoulder. So it could be a shoulder bag, could be a crossbody bag, or just handheld bag. All right, so let's take a look at the inside. So obviously you have those 2 handles with that little, you know, loop that you can put it in here, and then like I mentioned earlier, there is a zipper, so which is a, you know, it's a big thing in my opinion. You can just zip and the bag can feel very secure. There's a little tag, obviously if I remove it, the handbag is mine. Look at the little pull, zipper pull. It looks like basically like a paper clip. How cool is that? It's pretty unique. And of course the zipper is kind of yellow brassy kind of a color, and you can actually open this like completely to the end, so you can just keep it like this. So this way the handbag will have much bigger kind of an opening. There are 2 loops like on the side, as you can see here inside. There's one in here and one in here. I really don't know what is this for. I have no idea. Maybe to put the strap in here, like if you, I don't know. I really don't. I have no idea. There is a lot of like funky design, you know, elements of this handbags, and there are other handbags that I just don't understand, but I don't know. The whole inside is pretty simple, you know, it's all kind of a black line. There is a zipper pocket here, and I think this is it. There's nothing else. There's obviously there are tags attached, a bunch of colorful tags, and yeah, it's a very simple inside. There is some kind of like what is it called, like an authenticity card, I guess. It says connect with your authentic product, and there's like a code that you can scan, and there's some information in here. So I guess this is some kind of like authenticity something. Like I said, I've never bought anything from them, so I don't even know what to expect. Oh, I just noticed there's one little pocket. Do you see this little white pocket? I guess you can put like a credit card or something in here, or your ID. You see this little, and it's like completely white. It says made in, it says Off-White, made in Italy. So yeah. Yeah, so you know, it's a funky, simple bag, I'll put it this way, but there is something definitely unique about this handbag. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I am very kind of curious to know your thoughts. Like I said, it comes with 2 different colors. The leather is amazing, because when I open the dust bag every time, it's just like I can smell, you know, that leather. So it really feels kind of, you know, assuring that you purchase a quality product. And I don't know, I just feel it's just fresh, you know. This handbag is just fresh, it's just different, and I'm kind of liking it, you know. I'm digging it. I'm into it, definitely. So and I feel like it could be, you know, kind of dressed up and dressed down in a way. So yeah, let me guys know, what do you think about my new handbag? I'm pretty happy. You know, it was, like I said, it was kind of a spontaneous purchase, kind of a shot in the dark, but I just liked it on the pictures, I liked it on the models, and there's not much information about this handbag because this is a new season handbag, so obviously I guess not many people have it yet. So yeah, there was no like any YouTube videos or anything like that. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts about this new beauty. I just think it's fun. That's my take on it. So yeah, this is gonna be it for today. Please leave a comment. I really would like to know your thoughts. And yeah, one more thing. We are in the Advent. I've been very, very active on the Instagram. So if you're not following me there, maybe you should. Behind me, you see my Advent calendars. I opened all of them every single day. So, you know, and I just kind of take you through my day. It's a kind of like a vlogmas on Instagram. If there's something interesting happening, I always put it on my stories. So just make sure you follow me so you can see my stories and yeah, all the things that is happening, and obviously what's inside the, you know, the Advent calendar. So yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, my handle is at MStyle channel, and I will leave obviously all the information down below so you can go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, that's it. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and definitely leave the comment down below. Let me know what do you think about this handbag, or do you have any handbags from that particular fashion house? Let me know. Yeah, it's kind of very nice and squishy. So anyway, all right guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.